I'll tell you exactly what I am trying to tell you all by the word Akshardham. See, how much ever now you try to do completion, integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, you drill, you act as if you are a big guy, you are living integrity, you are living authenticity, you do all the drama. The moment you fall asleep, you know the dirt in which you are falling. When you wake up next day morning, you know you are caught in so many fears. You have been in a very low space. How many of you understand that? That has to be addressed. That has to be addressed. When you fall into the dream state and deep sleep state, in Sanskrit, we have a beautiful word, avastatraya, jakrat, swapna, sushupti. In this three state, while you fall into the dream and to the deep sleep, all these three states, you should fall into the same powerful space. While you are in the waking state, how you feel things are in your control. You should experience the same powerfulness with integrity and authenticity and responsibility during the waking, dream and deep sleep state, all three. Some people experiencing dream state even now, even in the waking state. I am not saying you should experience dream in the waking state. I am saying you should experience waking in the dream state. Listen. Completion should be practiced every night before falling asleep, so that in the night time, even in your dream or the deep sleep state, you will continue to be in that space of completion and powerfulness. The existence of awareness, you will know what you are and what you are doing, what is expected of you and what you are supposed to expect, everything clearly. Anybody who feels the same completion state in all three space, waking, dreaming, deep sleep, when you leave the body, you will experience Aksharadham. Means the eternal space. You don't have death. And I have not spoken this in public ever, because it is such mystical subject. Even to all the ashramites, I have not spoken about it. Only very few ashramites I told, I don't have fear of death. When you leave the body, you will not fall into any dark space. You will not fall into any powerless space. I know for sure Ma Vishweshwara, Batminibel never heard this from my mouth directly. If she heard, then we can say maybe because she heard, she has imagined and all that. No. I know for sure I have not spoken about it to everyone. If I have, I would have mentioned in a line like a passer thing or something. When she wrote her experience, I was so happy that somebody experientially experienced what I described as Aksharadhama. Imperishable space. I tell you, this is my Guru Vak for all my disciples, anybody who thinks myself as their Guru. To all my disciples, followers, devotees, this is my Guru Vak. Please understand, listen to this statement. Having health, wealth, success, excellence, through integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching is okay, great, no problem, nice. But while you are in the body, it is your responsibility to experience Aksharadham at least once so that you are clear, your reservation is confirmed. Your ticket, stay, place, everything in Aksharadham is confirmed. So that you don't need to have the incompletion of what will happen to me after death. What will happen to me after I leave the body? I tell you, how much ever I talk to you, I will not be able to give you that completion what Mahavishweshwara is having now. See, that completion in her being, I will not be able to give you by talking. She earned it as her experience. I want every one of you to earn it as your experience. So, my Guru Vak for all of you, while you are in the body, you should take up having your space reserved, ensuring your space in Aksharadhama. This can be done only by every night completion before falling asleep. Understand, before falling asleep, completion should be a must. It should be like a breathing. I tell you, even if you give up morning Pada Puja, it's okay. But don't give up the night completion process, because even once if you experience how your space will be after you leave the body, all the incompletions about life and death will disappear. Now you know your space is reserved. Your space is reserved. Understand? Reserving your space, ensuring your space in Aksharadhama should be done by every disciple as early as possible. See, having your space in Aksharadhama is enlightenment. That is enlightenment. Your Videha Mukti is guaranteed. If you have ensured your space in Aksharadhama, if you have ensured you are in that eternal space, I tell you, the goal of your life is achieved. You are done. Because you need a very high level of integrity and authenticity to experience the space of Aksharadhama. Sometimes it comes as a gift from the Master, but even as a gift from the Master, it comes only if you have that level of connection with the Master. Your integrity with the Master should be so high. It can come in two ways. One, integrity with the life. Second, integrity with the master. Any one way it will come. But once you have that Aksharadhama experience, I tell you, there is no more incompletions with life or death. You are now free. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.